Water quality monitoring. Are you also facing these troubles? Too many devices, complicated wiring, unsynchronized data, and frequent maintenance? Today, we bring you the Probest MP301 Integrated Multi-Parameter Analyzer. It integrates up to 8 parameters including temperature, pH, COD, conductivity, and turbidity into one unit, eliminating the need for stacking multiple devices. It enables one-stop monitoring for surface, water, drinking water sources, groundwater, and marine water quality. Traditional electrodes are prone to drift and require frequent calibration. Probest MP301 adopts long-lasting solid-state electrodes and automatic temperature compensation technology with a pH accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 and a turbidity error not exceeding plus or minus 0.3 NTU. Even in the field, the data remains reliable. The entire unit features IP68 protection and a stainless steel shell, which is corrosion-resistant and immersion-proof. With a maximum working depth of 30 meters, it can operate stably for a long time in rivers, reservoirs, or sewage treatment plants. With only 2 West total power consumption, it supports both solar and battery power, enabling months of continuous operation per deployment and significantly cutting power and maintenance costs. Equipped with the Probest HDC1008 intelligent handheld controller, it enables on-site setup, calibration, and data export without a computer. With a storage capacity of over 100,000 records, you can monitor water quality dynamics anytime, anywhere. The MP301 is more than a monitor. It's an efficient water quality management solution. Multi-parameter, durable, and easy to maintain, it makes monitoring simpler, smarter, and more cost-effective.